everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Christina. This is a place where we learn how to cook and bake together every week. This particular week we are going to kickstart the holiday season by making some cute reindeers gingerbreads. Because I found a little cute book in Lidl, out of all places. It's written by a girl called Mima Sinclair, and I'm gonna go ahead and try her gingerbread dough with this cute reindeers. So you will see all the pictures of this recipe on my Instagram account. Please have a look, which is at Christina's Cuisine. And the video on YouTube will be on Rapid, but I will take you step by step through the process. And if you like what you see here today, guys, and you're not one of my subscribers yet, please hit the subscribe button and then tap that little bell so that way you get notifications every time we put a video up. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy this, and I hope you're gonna make it yourself. Let's start, shall we? Thank you so much, guys. Until next time, go break an egg and take care of yourselves. Okay, so I'll show you the ingredients. They are here. Maybe you want to take a screenshot of it. Sorry, Alexa thinks I'm talking to her, but I'm not. So these are all the ingredients that we need, and we have here 140 grams of golden. I use golden syrup. You can also use molasses, or you can use honey. Yeah. Again, 200 grams of light brown sugar, 200 grams of butter. This is unsalted, but I always use salted butter, so it is salted butter here. I have the zest of a whole lemon here, and in this little bowl we have 4 tablespoons of ginger, ground ginger, then 2 tablespoons of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, and 1 tablespoon of nutmeg. Yeah, and there is 500 grams of plain flour, and you will need 1 egg beaten lightly for the end. So, shall we start? Yes.